In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a complete Notion workspace for your business. We're going to create a practical setup that helps your team stay organized, informed, and aligned as your business grows. The goal here is not to build something overly complicated. Instead, you want a workspace that is clear, useful, and easy for everyone to navigate day to day. Start by creating a dedicated Notion workspace for your business. This gives you a central place to manage information, projects, and collaboration. As you set it up, think of it as your company's digital headquarters. A clean structure from the beginning will make it much easier to scale later, especially as you add more pages, systems, and team members. Once the workspace is ready, build out your team wiki. This is where you'll store the essential information your company needs to run smoothly. Add company details, standard operating procedures, internal policies, and important links your team may need regularly. The purpose of the wiki is to reduce confusion and make answers easy to find without having to ask around. Keep the language simple and organize pages in a way that feels intuitive so team members can quickly locate what they need. Next, create a project database. This will act as your business project tracker and help everyone stay on top of active work. Include fields for project owners, deadlines, and status so responsibilities are clear and progress is visible at a glance. A good project database helps prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks, and it also gives your team a shared view of priorities. Try to keep the statuses consistent so reporting and updates remain easy to understand. After that, add a CRM database for clients, leads, or customers. This gives you one place to track relationships and monitor business opportunities. Keeping this information inside Notion can make follow-up and visibility much easier, especially if multiple people are involved in sales or account management. Be sure the structure is simple enough that your team will actually keep it updated. Then create meeting notes, templates for agendas and action items. This is a great way to make meetings more productive and consistent. A template helps your team prepare in advance, capture key decisions, and clearly document next steps. Over time, this becomes a valuable record of discussions and accountability. Once the main systems are in place, set the correct permissions for each team member. Make sure people have the level of access they need to do their work while also protecting sensitive business information. Good permissions keep the workspace collaborative without becoming messy or risky. Finally, review and update the workspace regularly so the team stays aligned. A Notion system only works if it stays current. Make it a habit to refine pages, remove outdated information, and improve the setup as your business evolves. That ongoing maintenance is what turns a basic workspace into a reliable business operating system.